Mr. Almeha's thesis addressed the challenges in supplying energy to off-grid areas, emphasizing nuanced management of island mini-grids. Despite microgrid proliferation, issues such as the high implementation cost and solar wind variability offered challenges. The research identified a knowledge gap, directing focus to autonomous management systems in microgrids. The thesis addressed energy source depletion and variable load demands, establishing rules for mini-grid microgrid responses using real-time software. An innovative solution for controlling multivariable energy sources was achieved. Several publications were produced from this research.
Chancellor, I present Mohammed Almad for the award of the degree Doctor of Engineering in Electrical Engineering.
نور بحاد. أنا زال شلون؟ نور بحاد.
For the degree Doctor of Engineering in Electrical Engineering, a thesis titled Development of a Real-Time Test Bed for Renewable Energy Integration Studies, supervised by Prof. A. Raji. I call on the